Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are doing great. I am Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Maths Smart Educate by Lakshmi. So in this channel, I'm going to teach the board examination syllabus, especially 11th or 12th standard. Present in today's video, I'm going to teach in TS intermediate syllabus regarding the maths. There are the 4 papers: 1A, 1B first year, 2A, 2B second year. According to the 2021 syllabus, 30% syllabus is reduced in each paper, very well. Remaining 70% is 70% syllabus, how we can cover that too within short time. Hardly 1.5 months is left over. Within short time, how can you get the each and every question, especially most important questions, I'm going to discuss with the smartness. Maths is a very, very interesting topic, subject. So if you use the smartness, so you have to read the question onwards carefully and sentence by sentence. What is a given data if you take carefully? So you can crack any type of question easily. There is no difficult data. So those are mostly helpful to you. So what is the smartness? What is reading of question, take caring? So all these are the most helpful to you to crack the each and every question easily. That is all I'm going to teach in my videos. So ప్రతి టాపిక్ని చాలా స్మార్ట్నెస్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం నేర్చుకుంటే మ్యాథ్స్ అంత ఈజీ సబ్జెక్ట్ వేరే ఉండదు. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే క్వశ్చన్ చదవడం దగ్గర నుంచి మనము ప్రతి స్టెప్ని క్లియర్గా డీటెయిల్గా మెన్షన్ చేస్తూ అర్థం చేసుకుంటూ చేస్తే మ్యాథ్స్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్. అదే నేను ఈ ఛానల్లో వీడియోస్ ద్వారా టీచ్ చేస్తున్నాను. మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ ఉన్న 70% సిలబస్ని మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టీచ్. సో ఉన్న టైంని ఎలా యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి, నథింగ్ టు వరీ, వాట్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెండ్. అట్లీస్ట్ ఈ 1.5 మంత్ని కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ పెట్టి మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. డెఫినెట్గా యూ కెన్ గెట్ ద మోర్ దాన్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్. సో today's topic, I'm going to teach one of the most important topic, that is integrations. Most important 7 mark questions నేను ఈరోజు డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాను. కంపల్సరీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. I'm using the what are the techniques, what type of smartness we have to use for each and every step, choosing the formulas, everything I will explain detailedly, clearly. Even if you have any doubt regarding this one, put a comment. చాలా క్లియర్గా డీటెయిల్గా ఏ స్టెప్స్ దగ్గర ఫార్ములాస్ దగ్గర కానీ క్వశ్చన్ చదవడం దగ్గర కానీ ఎంత కేర్ తీసుకోవాలని నేను క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇస్తాను. ప్రతి స్టెప్ను అర్థం చేసుకొని చేయండి. సో ఈవెన్ దో మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మెన్షన్ చేస్తే డెఫినెట్గా నేను డౌట్స్ క్లారిఫై చేస్తాను. సో మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఎస్ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టీచ్ ఇన్ టుడేస్ వీడియో. వాట్ ఐ సెడ్, integrations. Are you ready? Without delay, let's get started. Yes, in today's video exclusively, I'm going to discuss about the most important 7 mark questions from the topic indefinite integrations. What is maybe syllabus is available 70% in that exercise 6D. This is 6th chapter in 2B, exercise 6D. From the 6D only, you will go the 2 7 mark questions in public examination, including some examples. Okay, those are the most important questions. What are those? I'm going to teach with the smartness. Okay, which care we have to take, which point we have to take care, that is I'm going to teach in my videos. Okay, already 2 lectures I did on the circle chapter. Most important 7 marks, whose links are there in below description. You can watch and do the practice sincerely, dedicatedly. Even if you have any doubt regarding those, put a comment. Definitely will rectify your doubts. Okay, is it clear? Now in today's video, what I'm going to teach, indefinite integrals, most important 7 mark questions. ఇందులో ఇండెఫినెట్ ఇంటెగ్రల్స్ లో మనకున్న 70% సిలబస్లో 6D exercise is very, very, very important. From the 6D exercise, that to not all questions, from the few of the questions and some important examples నుంచి 2 7 mark questions వస్తాయి. మీకు ఐ థింక్ సో ద ప్యాటర్న్ ఆఫ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్. మీకు ప్యాటర్న్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ తెలుసు అనుకున్నాను. మీకు ప్యాటర్న్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లో డౌట్ ఉన్నా, సిలబస్లో డౌట్ ఉన్నా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మెన్షన్ చేయండి. డెఫినెట్గా నేను మీ డౌట్స్ క్లారిఫై చేస్తాను. సరేనా? రైట్. ఇప్పుడు 6D ఎక్సర్సైజ్లో రోమన్ నెంబర్ 2 సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఈ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా చేయాలి? ఎవల్యూట్ ఇంటెగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. If the integration function is in this form like this, look at here, it is in the form of for this integration, a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x formation is there. Now we can immediately take whatever may be numerator. Here I have written nr means numerator. We can convert into a is some real number, into derivative of denominator, dr in the sense denominator, plus b into denominator you have to choose. So after comparison on both sides similar quotients, we can collect the a and b values. How it is, we can look at for this question. అర్థమైందా? a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x ఫామ్ ఉంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? న్యూమరేటర్ని a ఇంటూ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్ ప్లస్ b ఇంటూ డినామినేటర్ కింద చూజ్ చేసుకొని దాని నుంచి ఏబి వాల్యూస్ కలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఎలాగనే చూద్దాం. దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫామ్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, అదే ఫామ్లో ఉంది కదా. అంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు? దిస్ ఇస్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ యాజ్ న్యూమరేటర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు a into d by dx means derivative of denominator plus b into denominator, right? Right. Numerator, what is numerator ikkada? Numerator enti 9 cos x minus sin x. First a into d by dx of denominator. What is denominator here? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, right? Plus b into again denominator is 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. This is our first step. Okay, you have to recollect this point, that is major first smartness. We have to recognize the type of the function. After that, what you have to do? This is left side I am writing as it is 9 cos x minus sin x. Right side a into what is there here? D by dx means what? Derivative. Derivative of first function is 4 constant. What is derivative of sin x? Is cos x. And cos x derivative is what? Cos x derivative is minus sin x means minus 5 sin x, right? Here you have to know what is derivative of sin x and derivative of cos x. Next, b into this denominator is as it is 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Now on both sides we can observe that there are the cos functions as well as sin functions. We have to compare the similar quotients on both sides. For that you have to take care. మనం టూ సైడ్స్లో అబ్జర్వ్ చేసే సైన్ కాస్ ఉన్నాయి, సిమిలర్ టర్మ్స్ని కంపేర్ చేయాలి. దానికోసం జాగ్రత్త ఏంటంటే కాస్ ఫంక్షన్ అయితే ఇది కాస్ ఉంది కదా, ఇటు సైడ్ కాస్ ఫంక్షన్, సైన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆర్డర్లో రాయండి. అప్పుడు మీకు మిస్టేక్స్ రాకుండా ఉంటాయి. దట్ ఈస్ సెకండ్ స్మార్ట్నెస్. 4 cos x minus sin x as it is here. What is the cos function here? 4 into a, 4a cos x, 4a cos x here, 5b cos x. But taking the cos x is common, 4a plus 5b of cos x, right? Now come to the sin function. What is sin function here? Minus sin function quotient minus 5a plus sin is taken out, minus 5 into a minus 5a. What is sin here? Quotient plus 4b into sin x. Is it clear? What you have to take care? We can take in order, that is important. Okay, otherwise there is chance to got mistakes. Okay, right. Now we can compare the similar quotients. Comparing, what happened? What is the quotient of cos here? 4a plus 5b is equals to 9, right? This side, left side. This one I am rewriting as 4a plus 5b with minus 1, 9 is equals to 0. Is it clear? This is taken as some equation, some small one, right? You know what is after taking the derivative, got one of the equation, that is taken as some 1. Okay, we'll use that is at the end. Okay, after collecting the AB values, we can use it. Now, what is the other quotient? Sin quotient is what here? Minus 5a, right? Plus 4b is equals to, what is our left side? Minus 1, right? This is, shall I read it? By taking the minus 5 is that side. This side means what? Right side. It becomes 5a. Plus 4b becomes minus 4b. Already minus 1 is this side only, with minus 1 is equal to 0. This is taken as some small 2. Now solve 1, 2. You know how can you solve 1 and 2? To find out a, b values you have to solve 1, 2. To solve 1, 2, better use a cross multiplication method. Do you know cross multiplication method? Most of them know about the cross multiplication method. Even the few of them don't know. I will explain here. Okay, cross multiplication ద్వారా మన ఏబీ వాల్యూస్ రెండు కూడా ఒకేసారి కలెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. దానికి క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ మెథడ్ అంటే ఎలా ఉంటుంది మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దాం. సో For that you have to take here a, b as 1 here. తర్వాత మిడిల్ కోషంట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్లో. ఫస్ట్ మిడిల్ కోషంట్ b, కోషంట్ is 5. Here you can write, then constant -9. Come to the first term quotient, a quotient is 4. Again come to the middle quotient is 5, right? Same way we can take second from the second equation also. Second equation lo s -4, first middle quotient, then constant -1, then 5, then -4. Okay, after that we can use this cross multiplication method. If you use this, we can take the plus sign, here middle we can take minus sign, like this. A by already 5 into -1 is -5. With the minus middle you have to use -9 -4, like this cross multiplication. Minus into minus plus 36, right? Is equals to b by here -9 -5 -45. Middle we can use a minus sign. 4 into -1 is how much? -4, right? Is equals to 1 by. Same way here also. Here 4 4 16 with minus 16 with minus sign, 5 5 is 25, right? Now this is a by, you know, -5 -35 36 is -41. We can add both of them because both have the same signs. B by here -45 plus 4 we can get. Minus of -4 plus 4 or not? -45 plus 4 is -41. Here also 1 by, here -16 -25 is also -41. And throughout -41 cancel, here a by 1 is equals to b by 1 is equals to 1 by 1 is 1 only. Then we can observe that what are the ab values is equals to 1, each is equals to 1. అర్థమైంది. క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ జాగ్రత్తగా చేస్తే మనకి ఏబీ వాల్యూస్ క్లియర్గా డీటెయిల్గా మనకి మిస్టేక్స్ లేకుండా వస్తాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఏబీ వాల్యూస్ వచ్చాయి కదా, ఇవి ఎందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేయాలి? మనం ఈక్వేషన్ 1 అనుకున్నాం కదా, ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేయాలి. దేని ప్లేస్లో 9 cos x minus sin x న్యూమరేటర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇన్ 1 అంటే న్యూమరేటర్ ఏమవుతుంది? 9 cos x minus sin x is equals to 1 into something is that thing only, that is 4 cos x minus 4 cos x. 4 cos x minus 5 sin x, right? Next by substitute the b is also 1 plus 1 into something is that thing only plus 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. So now tell me, what is a 9 cos x minus 5 sin x is changed like this. 9 cos x minus 5 sin x is what? In our question numerator. Now we can replace in our question numerator places these two terms. Maybe in place of ab, any values you can get, ab or any real numbers. Maybe fractions, negative, positive can get. Right. Now after substituting ab values, a is 1, b 1. Now numerator 9 cos x minus sin x becomes like this. 1 into 4 cos x minus 5 sin x plus 1 into 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. We got, you know, from the equation 1, we can substitute ab values. Now we can make the separation of these two terms. 1 into something is that thing only, 4 cos x minus 5 sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x is first term, right? Then dx we can take as separated two integrals. One is 4 cos x minus 5 sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Another one is 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, 4 sin x plus 5 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, right? What happened here? Here both of them cancelled, only one is left over. And we can observe that here 4 sin x plus 5 cos x derivative only 4 cos x minus 5 sin x. Now 4 sin x plus 5 cos x derivative ఏంటి? 4 into sin x derivative cos x, 5 into cos x derivative minus sin x. అంటే దీని డెరివేటివ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. అంటే ఏ ఫార్ములా ఉంది ఇది? It is in the form of f dash x by f of x integration. You have to recall this smart formula. It's a very important formula. So integral of f dash x by f of x we can taken as log of mod fx. You know, we can add plus c integral constant. In place of f of x, whatever maybe we can take under log. So in this term, what is fx here? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x, because this derivative is only here. It is clearly in the form of f dash x by f of x means log mod fx. In place of f of x, what is there? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. This is first term integral. Now second term. Here 1 is left over. What is integration of 1? With respect to x is x only. Now you can add the integral constant. This is our required solution of the integration of 4 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Finally, we have to mention the answer like this. For that also we will get the marks. 4 cos x minus 5 sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Integration is log of mod 4 sin x plus 5 cos x with plus x integral constant. See, that's it. We can mention for our presentation purpose as a box also. Maybe we can leave like that also, but finally you have to mention the answer. Clear? This is one of the questions, the most important question. Similar model question is there on the same Roman number. Here second question, here third question. This is you can do from your side. So can you? Yes. Now I will start another model. Okay, the next question, it's also one of the most important question. Under Roman number 3, 6 questions, very easy question. So how it is easy, what steps you have to take, I am explaining detailedly, clearly. Okay. First of all, what is the equation is in the form of, function is in the form of integral of dx with respect to x 1 by 1 plus x of root over 3 plus 2x minus x square. You can observe that this is the first degree expression. This is the quadratic expression. In that form, look at this formation. For this is the form of integral of 1 by px plus q under root ax square bx plus c. You know, this is called as first degree expression. This is called as quadratic expression. If the function in this form like this, just immediately you can proceed, let px plus q means first degree factor as 1 by t. You have to remember that point. What you have to take? First degree factor, whatever may be taken as 1 by t. Means what? If you convert this is in terms of t, we can convert dx also in terms of dt, and ax plus bx plus c also you can convert in terms of t. How it is, I will explain in the question. Is it clear now? In this form only this is there. ఇలాగ ఉంది కదా, ఇందులో px plus q బదులు ఏముంది? px plus q 1 plus x. That is we can take it as 1 by t. px 1 plus x 1 by t తీసుకుంటే dxని మార్చాలి dtలోకి. ఈ లోపల ఫంక్షన్ కదా 3 plus 2x minus x square, దాన్ని కూడా tలోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. దానికోసం ఏం చేయాలి? సింప్లీ ఫస్ట్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ లెట్ what you can take px plus q as 1 by t. In place of px plus q here, 1 plus x is taken as 1 by t. If it is a t in terms of t, we have to convert dx also in terms of dt. To find out its derivative, 1 derivative 0. You know dx derivative is what? dx derivative dx. You have to remember, if we change the function, that is called a substitution method. If we change the function in terms of variable some t, some theta, compulsory dx also can convert in the same variable. That is all I am doing here. That is we can convert from our substitution only. What is our substitution here? 1 plus x is 1 by t. We can differentiate this is on both sides. Derivative of 1x or derivative of 1 0. Okay. X derivative is dx and it is in the form of 1 by x. What is derivative of 1 by x? As 1 by x square. In place of x there is t. That is minus 1 by t square into dt hard to write. Clear? In place of dx we can add minus 1 by t square dt. Okay, this is in terms of t, this is in terms of t, and one more function is there. What are that? 3 plus 2x minus x square also we can convert in terms of t. 3 plus 2x minus x square బయటికి తీసుకొని టీలో కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. చాలా సింపుల్. దీంట్లో ఏ టర్మ్స్ ఉంది? ఎక్స్ ఉంది, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్? ఎక్స్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 1 by t minus 1 కదా. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ 1 by t minus 1. దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? 1 minus t by t. In place of x we can take 1 minus t by t. That is 3 plus 2 times of 1 minus t by t, here 2x with minus of x square, means square of this is 1 minus t by t whole square. So what is our smartness? First assumption. Next smartness, convert into same variable in terms of t. For that we have to convert dx in terms of dt, and 3 plus 2x minus x square also you can convert in terms of t. Then only the function becomes in terms of t. How it is I am doing here Carefully you can watch. 3 plus 2 times of 1 minus t by t as it is minus, this is in the form of numerator 1 minus t whole square, that is a minus b whole square, a square means 1 plus b square minus t square is t square minus 2ab means 2t. By denominator also square is there, that is t square. What you can observe that from these three terms, there is a t square in the denominator here t. Now we can take the LCM. LCM of this is the t square. LCM is t square, what will come here? 3 into t square, 3t square. Already t is there, one more t. We can take numerator is into with one more t. LCM. LCM తెలుసు కదా, t square LCM అయితే ఇక్కడ 3t square వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ t ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని దేంతో ఇంటూ చేయాలి? tతో ఇంటూ చేయాలి. ఎందుకంటే మన t square ఉంది కాబట్టి LCM. tతో ఇంటూ చేయాలంటే 2 into t into 1 plus 2t, right? And 2 into minus t minus 2t into t minus 2t square, right? అంతేనా? తర్వాత మైనస్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి. మైనస్ ఆఫ్ minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into t square minus t square minus of minus plus 2t, right? Be careful in the simplification. Now you can concentrate on t square terms. 3t square minus 2t square is t square, right? And t terms, 3t square minus 2t square, one more t square there, one more t square is also there. We can make the cancellation, 3 of them. Okay, how it is, you see 3t square here minus 2t square minus t square minus 3t square, both gets cancelled. Means now what is left over? Only t terms are left over. 2t plus 2t is 4t, right? Now constant minus 1 by t square. This is our internal function 3 plus 2x minus x square. Is it clear? Step by step, clearly, detailedly you have to do. Chala clear ga cheyandi, mistakes cheyadu. So mistake cheste malli you will get the wrong solution. Now we can come to the question, wherever maybe dx is there, what you have to take? Dx plus length better minus 1 by t square, right? Minus 1 by t square dt, right? By denominator 1 plus x I have taken as 1 by t, yes, right? Into under roots or under root of, in place of 3 plus 2x minus x square we can take 4t minus 1 by t square. Antena? 4t minus 1 by t square, right? Now this is, we can write minus is constant taken out, 1 by t square by denominator 1 by t into root over 4t minus 1 by root t square is t only, right? dt I am writing here. And what happened? T square, here t into t square gets cancelled. Now the function becomes integral of 1 by root over 4t minus 1. Now you have to know one more formula, that is what? Integral of f dash x by root fx. In previous question I used the f dash x by f of x. This is f dash x by root fx. For integral formulas I made one of the video in other channel, that is called as Maths Super Tips and Tricks by Lakshmi. In that channel I made one of the video. How can you remember the integration formulas? What are the major formulas? How can you use it? So etc. I have made a video. You can watch that video from that channel. Okay. So here f dash x by root fx is integration is 2 root fx. Okay. Root fx and its derivative of f of x is f dash x is there. We can write 2 root fx. Plus c, as usual you can add for integration, integral constant. This is root over 4t minus 1. What is 4t minus 1 derivative? 4 into derivative of t with respect to t is 1 only. Therefore 4t derivative is 4. Root fx form is there, but in place of the fx, what is there? 4t minus, its derivative is how much? 4. To reduce in this form, here 4 is missed. Divide and multiply with 4. Now 4 by root over 4t minus 1 dt, right? Now it is clearly in the form of what? F dash x by root fx is 2 root fx. What I did? Divide and multiply by 4 to fulfill this formula. Antena? Now minus 1 by 4 is as it is. Okay, this is 2 root fx. In place of fx, what is there? 4t minus 1. Now you can add the integral constant t. Now 2 cancel, minus 1 by 2 times of integral 4t minus 1. Now we can substitute what is t or adjunction. 1 plus x is 1 by t. What about t? From this, what is t? T is equals to 1 by 1 plus x or not? That is, I am replacing here in place of t. that is minus 1 by 2 times of root over 4 into t, we can write 1 by 1 plus x, means 4 by 1 plus x will come, 4 by 1 plus x is the minus 1. Again by taking LCM, minus 1 by 2 times of root over 4, by taking LCM 1 plus x is minus 1 minus x by 1 plus x, right? What is the final answer? I'm writing here, final answer is what? Minus 1 by 2 times of root over 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus x by 1 plus x, that's it. We can add the plus c constant. Is it clear? It's a very, very simple, very, very important question for 7 marks. You know, whatever may be terms here, nothing to worry. You can recollect this formation 1 by px plus q root over ax squared bx plus c. What is our first step? Taking px plus q as a 1 by t. After that, what we have to proceed, I explained very clearly, detailedly. ఓకే, చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా మిస్టేక్స్ పోకుండా చేస్తే చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ 7 మార్క్స్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? సిమిలర్ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్, దట్ ఈస్ మెన్షనింగ్ హియర్, దట్ ఈస్ Roman number 3 only. Question numbers 13 and 17. Question number 13 and 17, same model. We can do, these are from your side under the same Roman number 3. Clear? Let's look at the next question. It is also one of the most important question under the same exercise 6D, Roman number 3, second question. We can observe that in this question, recognition of question is important first of all. It is an integral of 6x plus 5 under root 6 minus 2x squared plus x, means it is in the form of, here we can observe that this is a first degree factor, this is a second degree factor. In such cases, you can look at these three formations. One is in the form of integral of px plus q, this is first degree factor, and under the square root ax squared plus bx plus c quadratic factor. Same, maybe it is in the form of px plus q by under root ax squared plus bx plus c, means it comes in numerator, this is as it is in denominator in that case, or maybe px plus q here without root is there. In these three cases, if any one of these forms, we can choose px plus q. What is the px plus q here? First degree factor as a into d by dx of derivative of quadratic factor plus b. That one you have to take. You know, how can you find out ab? There are the ab are two real numbers. We can find out just like one of the question I did. A cos x plus b sin x plus c cos x, same like model only. But here you have to choose a into d by dx of x squared plus bx plus c plus b. Okay, now look at this question. This is in this form or not? Yeah, among these three, any one of the form, even though we can choose this assumption only. Okay, ఈ త్రీ ఫార్మ్స్లో ఏ ఫామ్ ఉన్నా px plus q నేను తీసుకోవాలి, a into d by dx of ax squared plus bx plus c plus b అని తీసుకోవాలి. ఏ బీలు కనుక్కున్నాం అనుకోండి, మనకి px plus qలో పెట్టి సొల్యూషన్ పెట్టి చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చేయాలి వితౌట్ మిస్టేక్స్. ఓకే, ముందు అకార్డింగ్ టు దిస్ assumption, what is the px plus q here? Px plus q plus 6x minus 6x plus 5 is there. Let we can take 6x plus 5 is equals to, okay, a into d by dx of, in place of ax squared plus bx plus c, what is there here? 6 minus 2x squared plus x plus b, right? Now this is 6x plus 5 equals to a into derivative of, you know, derivative of 6 constant 0 minus 2 into x squared derivative is 2x and derivative of x is 1 plus 1 plus b as it is, right? Again I am rewriting this as 6x plus 5 is equals to a into minus 4x plus 1 plus b. We can take this as equation 1. Okay, we can collect this equation after finding the AB values. How can you find out AB values? Can you? Yes, simply we can compare the similar quotients. 6x plus 5 as it is. Now we can expand here, minus 4a into x minus 4ax, right? Plus a plus b already there. This is we can rewrite as 6x plus 5 equals to minus 4ax plus a plus b. You know, there are the two terms here. One is x quotient, x term, another is constant term. Now compare the quotient of x and constants on both sides. అర్థమైందా? 6x plus 5 ని a into derivative of తీసుకుంటే మనకి ఇది వచ్చింది. అంటే టూ సైడ్స్ మనం ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు? ఎక్స్ కోషంట్ని కాన్స్టెంట్ని కంపేర్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఇస్ కోషంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ హియర్? ఏంటి ఇక్కడ కోషంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్? -4a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 6, రైట్? What is a from this one? 6 by 4 with minus. And a is equals to how much? Minus 3 by 4. 3 by 2, right? 2 3s, 2 2s, right? Inka a plus b. What is a plus b? Is 5, right? Already know a value. A is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 plus b is equals to 5. Now, what is b now? B is equals to 5 plus 3 by 2, right? Minus 3 by 2 becomes plus 3 by 2. Now this calculation is b is equals to 5. 2 5 is 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 by 2. You know, you got the a value is minus 3 by 2. B value 13 by 2. Substitute a, b in 1. Substitute a, b in equation 1. What happened there? Therefore, here 6x plus 5 becomes now is equals to a. In place of a we can write minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 times of minus 4x plus 1, right? Minus 3 by 2 times of minus 4x plus 1 plus b. B is how much? Plus 13 by 2. Is it clear now? We got the 6x plus 5 now in sum of 2 terms. Where is 6x plus 5 in the question? Yes, here is there. In place of 6x plus 5, we can replace this is as it is. That is a very, very important step. Okay, after that what you have to do? Substitute. Now question becomes what? Tell me. Question in 6x plus 5 we can replace here. Minus 3 by 2 times of minus 4x plus 1 plus 13 by 2 overall into మొత్తానికి ఇంటూ అవుతుంది 6x plus 5 into this thing. That is root over 6 minus 2x square plus x whole dx, right? ఇవి చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చేయవలసిన స్టెప్స్. ఓకే, we can observe that these two terms are multiply with this factor or not అంటే రెండు కూడా సెపరేట్ చేయొచ్చు. What is first one? Minus 3 by 2 is constant. I am taking as it is. This is minus 4x plus 1 times of under root over 6 minus 2x square plus x is one of the term. We can take it as plus d into dx. Make the separation of this into this is one term. Now what is another term? Plus 13 by 2 times of integration of root over 6 minus 2x square plus x whole dx. Okay, for this integration have the one of the formula. For this integration what you have to do? For this integration there is one of the formula. Integral of f foreign x into f dash x. These three formulas what are used in today's video. F dash x by f of x, f dash x by root of x, f foreign x and f dash x are these three are very, very, very important. Everywhere else either 2 mark questions, 4 mark questions, 7 mark questions, maybe objective type we are using. That's why don't miss at any cost. Okay, f foreign x into means what? 6 minus 2x square plus x function is there. That power is root is there. This derivative is only here. Already we took this derivative only here. That's why the whatever may be this function power 1 by 2 means in place of n is 1 by 2. That derivative is only here means it is in the form of f foreign x into f dash x. But in place of n what is there? 1 by 2 is there. For this okay we can use this formula. What about this is? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? ఇది ఐడియా వచ్చిందా? ఇది దీనికి ఏం చేయాలి? చాలా సింపుల్ అండి. ఇది చేయడానికి ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ లోపల ఏదైతే ఉందో 6 minus 2x square plus x దాన్ని మనము ఇలా మార్చుకోవాలి. స్క్వేర్ రూట్లో ఉండొచ్చు 1 by ఉన్న ax square అంటే 6 minus 2x square plus x ఉంది కదా, దాన్ని ఏం చేయాలి? x square కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 మాత్రమే ఉండాలి విత్ ప్లస్. అంటే దీన్ని మనం ఇంకో స్టెప్ రాయండి. x square టర్మ్ ముందుకు రాసుకుంటే minus 2x square plus x ఇలా రాయండి. తర్వాత x square కోఎఫిషియంట్ మైనస్ 2ని కామన్ తీసుకోవాలి. అంటే ఏముంటుంది ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ -2 కామన్ తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ -x/2 ఇక్కడ -2 కామన్ తీసుకుంటే -2 ఇంటూ -3 6 అవుతుంది, రైట్? తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలంటే చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ టిప్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్. x² - x/2 -1 ఫామ్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఎక్స్ కోషంట్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 1/2. 1/2 ఆఫ్ వాట్ ఆర్ మే బి ఎక్స్ కోషంట్ ఆఫ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ వన్. ఇన్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ 1/2 is there. Half that one means 1/4. 1/4 అంటే half of the x quotient what it may be that square and add and subtract. అంటే 1/4 whole square ని యాడ్ చేసి సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద వే టు కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ నైన్ ఫార్ములాస్. 9 one of the 9 formulas. x² - x by 2. What you have to do? We can add 1 by 4 whole square and subtract 1 by 4 whole square. This minus 3 just right. Now we can write minus 2 times of, this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now first 3 terms, x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square. You can write x minus 1 by 4 whole square as a minus b whole square. Now what is left over here? Minus 1 by 4 whole square is minus 1 by 16 with minus 3. Again we can make the simplification of this is x minus 1 by 4 whole square here. What is LCM here? 16 is LCM, minus 1, 16 3s are 48 that minus. Right. Now what is it becomes? Minus 2 times of x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Minus 1 minus 48 is minus 49 by 16 whole square. So this is we can replace here. How it is in next step we can understand. Now we can come to the next step. In place of the minus 4x plus 1, this one as it is you can write, but we can take this power as 1 by 2 to use this formula. And 6 minus 2x square plus x plus we can write this thing. But here square root is there. Square root cannot take the negative values. Means we can multiply with this is with minus. If you multiply with minus means 2 times, so what will come? This minus 49 comes first plus 49. 49 we can write 7 by 49 by 16 we can write 7 by 4 whole square, right? Next, with minus times of x minus 1 by 4 whole square will come. Carefully heard, right? Okay, in place of 6 minus 2x square plus x we can write 2 times of 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square we can replace. Now this is I am writing as minus 3 by 2 as it is 2 times of minus 3 by 2 times of integral minus 4x plus 1 of 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 1 by 2 I am writing to use this formula f for an x into f dash x. Now next plus 13 by 2 is as it is, right? Integral of, in place of this is what you have to write 2 times of under root is there now, under root over 2 times of, okay, 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square whole dx, right? This is a ready to apply the formula. Now it is in the form of f for an x into f dash x, this formula. In place of n what is there? 1 by 2 is there, minus 3 by 2 as it is, f of x, what is this formula? F for n plus 1 by n plus 1, this is formula, okay. F for an x into f dash x formula, f for n plus 1 by n plus 1. What is f here? 6 minus 2x square, 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power. In place of n what is there? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. This is for this one. And plus, here I am writing plus 13 by 2 times of, you know what is form? You know root over root 2 into something we can write root 2 is outside. Better I am taking the outside root 2, right? Take the root 2 is outside. What happened? It is in the form of integral of root over 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square dx, right? Now it is in the form of 13 by 2 into root 2, okay, no problem. Root over 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square is there. What you can do? So this is 1 by 2 plus 1 how much? 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Here 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 3 by 2 gets cancelled, becomes minus times of 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 3 by 2. Again I am writing this is plus 13 root 2 by 2 times of. Do you know what is this formation? What is this form? Do you know? Do you know this formula? Here formulas are very important. I did one of the video I said to you, root over a square minus x square formula is x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 of sine inverse x by a. What is root over a square minus x square formula? X by 2 times of this is as it is plus a square by 2 times of sine inverse x by a. This is in this form or not? In place of a what is there? 7 by 4 is there, x is x minus 1 by 4. that is first x by 2 means what? X minus 1 by 4 by 2, x by 2 into this one is as it is 7 by 4 whole square minus of x minus 1 by 4 whole square, right? Plus a square by 2. A square means a square by 2. A square is 49, b square is 16. 49 by 16 of sin inverse x by, in place of x what is that? X minus 1 by 4 by a is a 7 by 4. Okay, this is a calculation part, somewhat lengthy. Be careful because this is essay question. Okay, if you take care, no need to worry, just you have to need the patience. ఓకే, కొంచెం ఓపిక ఉండాలి ఎందుకంటే స్టెప్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి, క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ పార్ట్ ఉంది, ఫార్ములాస్ అప్లికేషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా చేస్తే ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది మీకు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. నౌ యూ కెన్ సింప్లిఫై దిస్ ఈస్. లుక్ ఎట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్. దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ 6 minus 2x square plus x whole power 3 by 2 is as it is. Now what is our simplification here? By taking the 4 is LCM here, 4x minus 1 by 4 into 2 8 plus 13 root 2 by 2, 4x minus 1 by 8 here, and whatever may be this calculation part you can take it as it is 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square, that is 49 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square. You can leave like this only, no need to worry. Plus next 49 by 16 of sin inverse. You know what is LCM? 4 is LCM. 4x minus 1 by 4 here also there. 4 gets cancelled. 4x minus 1 by 7. Overall plus c. Okay. If you expand with the 13 root 2 by 2, you can get some other result. No need to worry. You can stop there only. This is one of the question, important question. So, what are the questions I explained today's class? Very, very, very important questions for 7 marks from the indefinite integrals. So, what are these models? But depends upon these models, what are the questions, other questions are there? Do the practice from your side. అర్థమైందా? 3 types of models చెప్పాను, చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇండెఫినిట్ ఇంటెగ్రల్స్లో 7 మార్క్స్కి. దీనికి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అవి కంపల్సరీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఈవెన్ దో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్ రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో యూ కెన్ పుట్ ఏ కామెంట్. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ కంక్లూడ్ దిస్ వీడియో హియర్. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అన్నీ కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మెన్షన్ చేయండి. సో ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైప్కి వన్ మోర్ ఛానల్ ఈజ్ దేర్. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ మెయిన్స్ ఎంసెట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో more than 85 videos are there, 85 videos are there in that channel. Very simple and shortcut methods I'm going to use in that channel, that to objective type. So మీరు ఎవరైతే ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారో ఎంసెట్ మెయిన్స్కి ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఆ ఛానల్ కంపల్సరీ చూడండి. ఈ ఛానల్లో ఓన్లీ సబ్జెక్టు ఐపీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలోనే ఇందులో వీడియోస్ పెడతాను. ఓకే, అండ్ రెండు కూడా మీకు బాగా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతాయి. So if you make sure if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, we'll see in the next video a new topic and with new energy. Till then, take care. Have a great time. Bye bye.